Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use Okta Verify app. First, download and install the Okta Verify app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the Okta Verify app on your device. If you're setting it up for the first time, tap Add Account or Get Started. Next, sign into your Okta account on your computer or through your organization sign-in page. When prompted to set up two-factor authentication, select Okta Verify as your verification method. A QR code will appear on the screen. Now return to the Okta Verify app and allow camera access if requested. Use the app to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once the QR code is scanned, your Okta account will be added to the app and linked to your device. After setup is complete, you can use Okta Verify whenever you sign in to your account. When you attempt to sign in, you may receive a push notification on your device asking you to approve or deny the login request. Simply tap Approve if the sign-in attempt is yours. If push notifications are not available, open the Okta Verify app to view a temporary 6-digit verification code and enter it on the sign-in page. You can also add multiple Okta accounts to the app if required by different organizations or services. The app can be used to manage two-factor authentication for supported applications and services that require verification codes. Once everything is configured, Okta Verify will provide an extra layer of security by helping confirm your identity whenever you sign in. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.